Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down a combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for about 5 seconds or something like that. And this kind of a magical menu will appear. Here in this menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option recovery mode. When you see this plain Android robot and no command message under it, what you have to do is to just hold down power key and press volume up once, and you will end up in recovery mode. Here in the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, just like in the previous menu. And you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.